From the 2nd of the 5th month of 1443. Why was Christianity ascendant? Why are other forms of polytheism pagan or heathen, but not Christianity? They were supposed to be warm beyond heredity and nationality. It was not enough, in their view, to have confessed and acted, but only to rely vicariously towards the value of other paths. They were in denial and apprehension. This exclusionary stance led them to be more focused on being missionaries. Then came the misplaced actions against them and the favor of chief political entities.